Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Sixto, your pond guy. Dominic and I arrived to our first cleaning. Stay tuned for the day.
We're just getting started here. I dropped this pump and we're pulling this water into the 500 back there so we can use this to flush. I'm gonna leaf blow the stream, get all those leaves out of here, and we're gonna get this thing looking good soon. Something we started doing this year, guys, that I really love is this sign right here. We have Sean on it. It looks good and it grabs attention. I've already gotten a few questions about this and it's a great conversation starter. People want to know what it's about and what we're doing. We don't have time to stand in the road and grab the attention of people passing. So this is one way that we get new customers. So it's April 9th here in Massachusetts, guys, and we are still dealing with terribly cold waters. Our first clean of the day here is barely frozen over. And it's pretty cool to watch the ice because as the water level drops, you see the air creeping up under the ice and it slowly starts to break. What we're doing right now is we have our bigger pump on the bottom, pumping all this gross water out to the woods. And we're using the water that was in here that went into the 500 to flush all the leaves down into the middle to just kind of make picking a little bit easier for us. So it's a few hours later, guys. We got the pond all clean. We rinsed, picked, pressure washed, did our second rinse. This pond is very root bound and it was mucky. This is the best that we can get it. Sixto's over here. He's just pulling that last bit of water out of the skimmer and we're gonna get water in this thing, fill it up and get it running. We just got this feature clean and running, guys. We're about to drop our initial dose of treatments in here. And this feature is actually something that we did not build. A lot of our business comes from features that we didn't build. And part of the battle with that is just figuring out the biology of the pond, what makes up the pond, what they used, and how we can improve upon it. So this homeowner actually shut their feature down themselves this winter, and they did it a little bit differently than we would have. So when we come here to do the spring cleaning, there was a lot more leaves collected and things like that. So it took us a lot more time to get all of that out and get this pond clean the way it should look. So we haven't even dropped our initial dose of treatment yet, and this pond is already looking worlds better than it did when we got here. It's gonna take a few cycles for everything to settle in the pond to clean itself up, but it's looking good, guys. So we're here at our second stop of the day, guys, and this pond has fish in it. Once we drop the water level, we're gonna pull those out, make sure they're healthy, observe them, give them their treatments inside the tank to keep them calm and relaxed while we clean their home. They'll have a nice surprise when they come back. Once they're out, we're gonna finish pumping this water out. We're gonna pick, do our flush, normal power wash. We'll flush it one more time, and then it'll be ready to fill.
Hey, guys. We rinsed the pond down, picked it. It was super mucky. Dom fertilized the plants. Now we did our final rinse, and now we're getting ready to fill. Stay tuned.
We're wrapping up our day here. This is our last cleaning. Six is putting all the tanks, hoses, pumps away right now, stacking that back on the van. We flushed this thing super good. We picked all the leaves, sticks, all the muck out of this thing. It was super gross, filled with sticks. I don't even know where all those sticks came from, but we got all that stuff out of there. I went ahead and I fertilized all of these plants. So these lilies, we do 2 fertilizer packets for the lilies, and everything else gets 1. As soon as the weather warms up, that stuff's gonna bloom amazing. Something that I love about this feature, guys, is the homeowner actually has a little bird bath set up over here, and it just pools over into this very short stream and trickles into the pond. It's set up in a super neat way where he has a small pump hidden underneath this rock that runs underneath and right up to the bird bath. Can't even see it, you would never know that it's there. Something else that we're trying to get ahead of is this customer was dealing with tea color water last year due to all the leaves and that stuff just breaking down. So there's some carbon in his biofalls and that's gonna filter the water and pull all that tea color out. So we're getting the van all packed up, guys. We do 2 cleanings a day and this is what the end of the day looks like for us. Any questions, concerns, go ahead and drop that in the comment section. Give this video a like if you enjoyed and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks, guys.